A buffer is a solution containing either a weak acid and its salt or a weak base and its salt, which makes it resistant to changes in pH. The difference between a strong acid and a weak acid, or a strong base and a weak base, is that the strong acids or bases will ionize completely when they're in a solution, and the weak acids or bases will only partially ionize in solution. The process of an acid ionizing becomes an equilibrium equation because while some ions are forming, others are combining to create the weak acid or a strong acid. We're about to calibrate the pH meter.
Basically still, first, place into your pH of 7 while mixing. I'm left-handed, so this is really annoying. Exciting. And then we place into distilled water again to rinse the badness of pH 7 off. No one likes neutrality. And we place it into the pH of 4. And we keep that for Christmas. And then we hit OK. And we are now calibrated. Congratulations.
Yeah, we are. It's 3.9 and that's at 4.
Alright, so today we are going to calibrate a pH meter. Okay, so first you have to remove it from its solution. Okay, and on your screen you're going to want to go to calibrate. Alright, and now calibrate now. Also, you want to keep this in liquid the entire time. Right? So after swirling it around in distilled water, we are going to put this in the buffer of 7, with a known pH of 7. Alright, and while we're swirling this, we are going to type in 7.00. No, not like that. And then hit heat. Alright, then we're going to clean it off with distilled water again. That way we get consistent and reliable results. And then we're going to put it in a solution of 4 and type in 4.0. Swirling and typing is hard if you are not ambidextrous. And I am not ambidextrous. I wish I was ambidextrous. Alright, I'm going to keep that 4. And units are in pH, so hit OK.
To calibrate this, first you put it in distilled water, rinse it off, and then click calibrate now, and stir it in the pH 7 buffer, and type in 7, and press keep, and then distill it again. And now we're going to put it in the pH 4 buffer and type in 4. And then press keep. And distill it again, and then we're done.
I'm taking the pH of this tap water.
Oh my god, this glare. We're now going to be taking the pH of a mixture of hydrochloric acid and water. First we prepare with distilled water, and then into the hydrochloric acid water mixture we go.
Okay, so we're gonna figure out the pH of our buffer that we made. You put it in distilled water, and then put it in here, in the buffer. And the pH is 4.58.
Okay, so going to take the meter and clean it in the distilled water. Alright? And I'm done with that. I'm going to use it to test the pH of this buffer solution mixed with hydrochloric acid. We're going to see what the pH ends up being. It looks like it's settled on 4.34. So